Hey everyone, welcome to Hau Chic, and today I'm going to show you a skincare routine which is good for acne prone skin, and this is with YesStyle. At the end of the day, you want to remove your makeup and your sunscreen. So I start off by taking the Nivea By Face makeup remover and I apply this onto a cotton pad and gently remove all of my eye makeup and lip makeup. Then I follow up with a double cleanse. Here I'm using the PURITO Green Level Cleansing Oil and the COSRX Low pH Cleansing Gel. I apply 2 pumps into the palm of my hand and I massage gently all over my face to dissolve any makeup, sunscreen that's left over from the day. Really take the time to massage your face and give yourself a mini spa at home. You want to be able to reduce as much stress as possible at the end of a long day, and make sure that you are looking after yourself, as this is part of your self-care routine. After massaging the oil into your face, you want to emulsify it to remove all of the dirt and makeup and oil. Then you want to follow it with a foaming cleanser. This one's by COSRX and it's a very gentle, low pH cleanser, and it really does take care of acne prone skin. You want to be as gentle as possible for acne prone skin, as stripping cleansers could be very harsh and aggravate it even more. Moving on to toner and serum, here I'm using ones by PURITO and they contain Centella. Centella is a fantastic ingredient for wound healing, but most importantly in this case, it's really good for treating acne, as it reduces redness and it treats acne by repairing the skin barrier. Centella is made up of 3 saponins: asiaticoside, asiatic acid, and malic acid. These are the main components of Centella asiatica to allow wound healing. This contains hyaluronic acid, which is really good for hydrating the skin because it's a humectant that draws water from the air and into your skin. By adding hydration into your skin, you can prevent a lot of acne by balancing the oil levels. Moving on to mask, you want to be able to relax at the end of the day. Here I'm using this tea tree one, as it is very soothing and also it treats acne by being antibacterial. There are many types of masks on this line. This potato mask is really good for soothing the skin. This calendula mask is really good for soothing and moisturizing the skin. It's really good for calming the skin down and making it feel comfortable. Then we have the rice mask, which is really good for brightening the skin. After you have acne, sometimes you're left with scars, and this one can brighten the rough and dark skin. There are many factors that can cause acne, excess sebum production or bacteria, but other things could be hormonal changes, certain medications, diet, but most importantly stress. So really take the time to wind down at the end of the day, enjoy a relaxing spa at home with this mask. After 10 to 15 minutes, you want to take off the mask and massage the remaining serum until it's fully absorbed. Moving on to cream, here I'm using the Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream. It's super luxurious and it really does soothe the skin. I apply a generous amount, warm it in the palm of my hands, and I gently melt it into the skin. And that is everything that I've been doing for the last month. Acne can be something that really defeats your self-confidence, but just remember, you are all beautiful, and no matter what skin condition you are, beauty comes deep within. Here I show you my skin about a month ago, and now my skin is much less red from the Centella, but also the mental aspect of keeping calm and reducing stress, and reinforcing positive affirmations to know that you are all beautiful. It can be very easy to be in a downward spiral with acne and it feels like it's taking over your life, but just remember there is a lot more out there, and spend time with people who really bring out the inner beauty within you.
Hi, it's man.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and talk to me on Instagram at Hau Chic, and I send you all of my hugs and my love.